Like, so the first question is related to a piece of chalk. Chalk, that means calcium carbonate, and place it into dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, so the first one, okay, chemical ingredient in chalk you should know, okay, which is calcium carbonate. You can write down the name, and also you can, if you can't spell it, okay, you may write it down as a chemical formula, okay, calcium carbonate. So not just chalk but also marbles, okay, so and limestone, okay, they all compose of calcium carbonate at the very beginning of your Form 4 chemistry. Now and then we write down a word equation, okay, for the reaction occurred, and at that time I asked you to remember, okay, the word equation, of course, start from chapter after the bonding, okay, you should know how to write chemical equation. But of course, for this paper, okay, you need to write down the word equation as a calcium carbonate. React with hydrochloric acid. I'm sorry, I don't have enough space. Okay, supposed to have an arrow, and then the product should be placed on the right hand side. So there should be a salt, the salt which is calcium chloride, and then water together with carbon dioxide. But of course, you should try to make it into one single line, okay, in order to have the whole word equation. Of course, after you learn the chemical formula of the compound, okay, you should change it into chemical equation. Now I show you in red, okay. So for calcium carbonate, the chemical formula should be CaCO3. Okay, once again you can have the revision about the charge of the ions. Why we have the formula of CaCO3? Because calcium is 2 plus charge, group 2, carbonate 2 minus charge, and then we can use cross method. Okay, and then we can have Ca2CO3 2, and if we eliminate 2, cross out the bracket, you will have the formula here. Okay, and then we react with the hydrochloric acid to form the salt calcium chloride. Here should be CaCl2. Remember, in the examination paper, many of you write down CaCl, okay, but it should be CaCl2 because of, again, cross method, calcium 2 plus charge and chloride 1 minus. And then we have the water H2O together with the carbon dioxide CO2. So in order to balance the equation 2Cl here, we need to add 2HCl. Okay, and I think most of you can have this answer. Now we go to part C, the gas form. Okay, we know, of course we know here is the answer, carbon dioxide. Okay, and suggest a test for the gas. Remember, I mentioned many times, if you want to have a test or chemical test for something, you need to write down the reagent for the test and also the observation. That means, now we have the carbon dioxide, the test will be pass it to lime water, and observation will be in turns milky. Okay, and this is the test. The first part is a reagent, lime water. The second part will be the observation, okay, turns milky. Okay. Now, for part D, if we have a piece of chalk can turn into metal, okay, give comment. Remember, for this sentence structure, okay, comment, that means you agree or disagree the sentence, and then give appropriate explanation. Now we have, if we want to extract a metal from the chalk, can we? Of course, yes we can. That means we can turn metal. The metal, of course, is calcium from the chalk. But how? Okay, you need to explain why. Okay, because chalk contains calcium and can be extracted by electrolysis of molten ore. And of course, this question related to some idea about metals. Okay, about 1C, extraction of metal from by 3 methods. Okay, just a brief revision. If the metal reactivity is low, we can simply heat the metal ore to gain the metal. Just like mercury oxide, if you simply heat it, we can get back a mercury metal. The second method is heat with carbon. Just like if we have a copper oxide, we mix with a carbon powder, we can extract copper metal. And lastly, for higher reactivity of the metal, we need to extract by electrolysis of molten ore. We will focus on electrolysis later, a very important topic. Okay. So let's go to question number 2. Now here we have a lithium, okay, and in the periodic table, okay, naturally with 2 isotopes. Of course, if related to 2 isotopic atoms, okay, isotopic forms. For this word, isotope, okay, you should know the meaning. So the term, what does it mean? I find that some of you only answer part of the answer. Which part? Many of you can remember for isotope with the same number of proton but different number of neutron. Now I use some symbol here. Of course, in your answer you should write in words. But many of you missing the first part. Very important. If you miss this part, you will have no mark. So the first part will be atoms of same element. What that means? The definition means if we have one element, it can have 2 or more forms. Okay? But they are actually different atoms, but same element. For example, here, lithium, we have lithium 6 and lithium 7. Okay, they have same number of proton. Remember, number of proton the same. That means the same identity of element. They both are lithium. However, you find that the mass number are different. That means they have different number of neutrons, and this is the only difference between isotopes. So that's why we have the definition here. Okay, atoms of same element with same number of proton but different number of neutrons. Okay, I strongly recommend you remember this sentence because you find that in past paper. Okay, actually frequently asked. Now the second part related to isotope I mentioned before again. Okay, the first part definition, the second part supposed to be calculation, and you need to find out the relative atomic mass of lithium. So how to cope with this? The mass number of lithium 6 times the relative abundance. Okay, that means 7.6% plus the other isotope. Okay, 7 times 92.4%. Okay, and I found some of you divide 100. In fact, it's not necessary. Okay, because the percentage already is actually a decimal number. Okay, so you can find the correct answer will be 6.924, something like that. Okay, and 2 notes for you. The first part, no unit. Okay, no unit because relative. We don't have any unit. The second one, okay, yes, the answer we should have 3 decimal place, or you can write down 4 significant figure. For all mathematical expression, for all answer, numerical answers, okay, you should have this idea. Because later on, we will have a lot of calculation related to x and base. Again, for the answers, the last part, the answer, suppose we have a 3 decimal place answer or 4 significant figures. Now, which metal, lithium and sodium, is more reactive, and explain the answer. Okay, of course, you look down from group 1, sodium will be more reactive than lithium. I use symbol again. Okay, but why? Okay, as I mentioned before, reactivity relates to the ease of releasing electron. So that means because you simply write down sodium release electron more easily. Than lithium. Of course, some of you write down, according to group 1, the reactivity increases standard group, okay, it's fine. But I think you better explain by means of ease of releasing electron. Okay, but I still make it correct for you if you answer because group 1 metal reactivity increases standard group. Okay. Now here is for question number 1 and 2. Okay, do you have any question? Now the third question, okay, is related to an element X here. So what is the electronic configuration, okay, of element X? So one of you just WhatsApp me about this question. For electronic configuration is actually a number representation about the electrons. Now the first shell is 2, okay, and the second shell is 8, so you simply write down 2H is the electronic configuration, okay, and this part is actually the electron diagram of this element. So please distinguish these two words, okay, clearly, okay, because sometimes the question will ask you to write down the electron diagram or to draw the electron diagram for different elements. So what is element X? Okay, you simply check it out. If the number of electron is 10, that means it will have 10 proton, and then you search from the periodic table, or in fact you can remember the first 20 elements. You should know it is neon. So if the number of neutrons of element X is 10, so what will be the atomic number and mass number? Bear in mind, if the same question asks you two things, you need to separate the answer, like atomic number will be 10 and mass number will be 20. Please write down the representation like this. Don't simply write down 10, 20. In fact, the marker will not know. Your answer 10 is referred to atomic number or mass number. We don't know. So please have this sentence structure, okay, to make the markers clear, okay, what you are answering. Do you get my point? Okay, because I asked you two things, okay, atomic number and mass number. Now, full chemical symbol, that means not just write down neon. I know this is simply the chemical symbol for neon. But if I for part C, I already asked you about atomic number and mass number, you should write it down for full chemical symbol. The lower part here will be atomic number. The upper part here will be mass number. Okay? So remember. I'll give you another example for the next one. Sodium, okay, will be the symbol Na, and it is 11, okay, atomic number because 11 proton, and mass number will be 23. Of course, you need not to remember the numbers, okay, but because I have many ideas about elements, okay, so I remember. So what's your question? Make a mistake here. So I not really a mistake, but I let you know, I speak in Cantonese for this point. 佢其實叫你寫 element X 嗰個 chemical symbol 咧，咁啊當然啦，你可以係寫呢一個款啦，因為佢話俾你知 element X 啊嘛。但係點解我呢條係答 neon 都可以咧？係因為如果佢對上嘅題目係問咗你 X 係啲乜嘢 element 嘅時候咧，你係可以用 neon 答嘅，即係 X 同 neon 其實係共通嘅。但係如果嗰條題目冇咗 B part 啊，冇 B part 呢條題目嘅話咧，你唔可以答呢個答案。如果冇咗 B part 嘅話，你要答呢一個。咁但係因為有 B part，你已經知道咗 X 係 neon 啊嘛，咁所以你可以寫 neon 喺個 symbol 度。OK， so at last, okay, we have a state and explain. Again, ask you two things. Element X is a noble gas or not? Okay, of course X is. Okay, yes. X is noble gas. Why? Because outermost shell is X. Okay, X electrons. That means octet because it is octet. It has octet structure. I find that some of you write down a fully filled electron shell is another answer. It's okay. Because not all noble gas are octets. Remember one. Okay, again, recall your memory. Anyone can let me know? Yes, doublets. Doublets. Which element is doublets? How come? Helium. Helium only have one electron shell with two electrons. Okay. However, helium is again a noble gas because the first shell, okay, only contain two electrons. It fully filled. Okay, that means all electrons occupy the first shell. Okay, and this is what we call doublet. But we seldom use this term. I just let you know, not all noble gas with 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, this is the exceptional case. Sometimes you find the question related in multiple choice. Okay. So let's go to question number 4. Now we have a table here, okay, and give you a symbol and group number. So combine to form a compound, which is supposed related to covalent bond, ionic bond, right? So give the chemical formula of X. X is composed of potassium and iodine. First, recognize metal, non-metal to form a compound, or non-metal only to form a compound. Potassium is a metal, iodine is non-metal, so they form a compound with ionic bond. So for ionic bond, how to find out the chemical formula? For potassium, okay, give you group 1, that means 1 plus charge. Okay, for iodine, given to you is group 7, so must be 1 minus charge. So that's why you have cross method to arrive the chemical formula will be Ki. Okay, so the chemical formula will be Ki. So draw electron diagram. From part A, you know that it is ionic compound. What that means? So for potassium, if it lose 1 electron, it will form positive charge ion. Okay, for iodine, originally it has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. Because it gained 1 electron from potassium, okay, and it will carry 1 negative charge. So this is the electron diagram for Ki. And some of you, of course, get correct answer, but please follow the sequence. Okay, first find out is it ionic or covalent, then try to draw the appropriate electron diagram. Because I still find some of the answer very horrible, like this one, K, and then share 1 electron with iodine. Okay, still have this kind of answer. Please don't mess it up. Okay. Now, will aqueous solution of X conduct electricity for ionic compound? Yes. Okay. Explain answer. Many of you without explanation. Why? Because aqueous solution of X contain mobile ions. Now, again, for revisions, how to make a conduction of electricity? You should have the first, mobile ions, of course, find in ionic compound, aqueous solution or molten state. Or for metal, if we have delocalized electron. Remember, if we have a structure of sodium, the sodium ion, okay, after releasing one outermost electron, the other sodium metal, okay, release one electron to the structure. So this is what we call delocalized electron. It can conduct electricity. That means, in order to conduct electricity, you should have mobile ions or delocalized electron. For this case, of course, it have a mobile ions. Now, and then for part B, iodine and hydrogen combine to form compound Y. Again, find it out metal, non-metal, or only composed of non-metal. Iodine, non-metal, hydrogen, non-metal. So, the bonding should be covalent. And then for hydrogen, here, draw electron diagram. One electron here, share one electron with iodine. Okay? So this is an electron diagram. And again, find out the chemical formula. One H with one I, so the chemical formula will be HI. Okay? And some answers, okay, answer, how about IH? Actually, if we have a covalent bond related to hydrogen, we usually write hydrogen at first. Okay, I give you other example, like what you have hydrochloric acid, we write that HCl, but not ClH. Or CP water, H2O, but not OH2, right? So we usually write down hydrogen first. Okay? Now, predict and explain whether X and Y with a lower boiling point. So again, that means we compare these two. Remember, for asking you boiling points, that means physical properties. Physical properties must be related to the structure, okay, and bonding. Now, I find that many of you write down answers like potassium more reactive, that's why X with a higher boiling point. Totally wrong. Not related to reactivity. Okay, so how to cope with this? We need to first, okay, find out this structure and this structure. For this one, for compound X, okay, it has this one. Ionic bond must be, it has giant ionic structure. That means X has strong ionic bond between ions. Therefore, X has higher boiling point. On the other hand, okay, for this structure, of course, you find that covalent bond between hydrogen and iodine atoms. However, for this part, the smallest part of this compound is a molecule. Remember how to distinguish, because it is a discrete molecule. Okay, two atoms to form a molecule. In between the atoms is covalent bond. However, between molecules of HI here, there will be another HI, there will be another HI here. There will be only weak intermolecular force between the molecules. So it is Y has simple molecular structure only. Okay, I don't have enough space, so I place it here. With simple molecular structure, that means Y only has weak, we can use the word Van der Waals forces, between molecules. So, Y with lower boiling point. The same as melting point. Because melting point and boiling point, actually, we use the same explanation. Okay? So, this is the answer for question number 3 and 4. 咁啊，跟住繼續咧就有 diamond 啦，OK，咁啊 diamond 個 type of structure 係咩咧？咁頭先都講過啦，呢個係 giant covalent structure 啦。OK， 好咁啊，解釋下咧，喂，又係 explain weather 咧，問你兩樣嘢啦，得唔得啊？佢可唔可以導電咧？佢唔得嘅，導唔到電嘅。Graphite 點解咧？因為 no delocalized electron， 頭先解釋過嗰樣嘢㗎，即係佢又冇一啲周圍走嘅電子啦。OK， 你可以答多樣嘢嘅 and 咧 together with 佢又冇 mobile ions 啦，咁所以佢就唔可以導電啦。點解啊？記唔記得教過大家話graphite 話 diamond 嘅 structure 啊？記得啊，即係咧嗰啲一點點就係 carbon atoms 啦，咁啊本身咧就係黐4個 carbon 嘅，咁一路咁黐落去啦，前後啦有啲嚇，咁你會發覺全部都做晒 covalent bond，佢甩唔到啲電子出嚟啦，咁所以佢就導唔到電啦。好啦，咁啊講 diamond 有啲咩 daily use 咧？做 jewelry 啦，有人寫嘅 cut 個 glass 嘅，或者即係其實點解 cut glass 唔係 cut window 啊 ？OK 可以做一個 cutter 啊。喂 jewelry 嗰啲唔識串嗰啲唔該。
其實 cut 個 glass 會唔會 cut 到咧？有一就係成粒嘢會即係嗰啲咁樣，跟住塊刀片咧都會有一日係即係
鑽石係唔會嘅 ，OK。鑽石恒久遠，一火永流傳，冇聽過，唔會爛嘅。基本上鑽石，如果爛嗰啲就唔係鑽石嚟㗎啦。鑽石好硬嘅一樣嘢嚟嘅，
如果太細咯，細得滯。
都係硬嘅。
但係見過人哋壓，我見過人哋即係壓碎晒。
好啦，咁啊，跟住再問你 graphite 同埋 diamond 啦 ，composed of carbon atoms 啦，點解佢哋 look so different 咧？哇！有人識答呢個字好勁嚇，因為佢哋 allotrope。allotrope 係咩咧？就係大家都係同一種 atoms 嘅，但係咧 different arrangement in structure 啊。咩意思咧？都學過啦，係咪？大家除咗學 diamond 呢個 structure 之後咧 ，graphite 都會學噶嘛。graphite 係點樣嘅咧？佢本身咧係一個 layer of carbon 啦，嗰啲 carbon 咧就 form 3個 covalent bond 嘅啫。咁啊，跟住咧每一層同層之間咧就有啲 weak vanilla forces 啦，攆住佢哋嘅。咁啊，嗰個 vanilla forces 就攆住呢啲一層層嘢啦。咁因為佢哋大家都係 carbon atoms， 不過佢哋個 arrangement 會唔同咯。好，第6條。咁咧考試考過啦，有啲題目都問你幾樣嘢，又係要注意啊。第一，講 expected observation 同埋寫 balance chemical equation。我考試咧就問多樣嘢，就寫 ionic equation 嘅。將個 zinc granules 啦加落去dilute hydrochloric acid 啦，咁個 observation 咧你可以寫好多嘅，譬如 zinc dissolves 啦。好啊，最多人答咧就寫 gas bubbles given out。記住，如果你真係要答 gas bubbles 咧，你要界定埋佢有冇顏色嘅，咁所以咧你要答 colorless gas bubbles。
係有顏，乜有 gas bubble 有顏色嘅咩
？Given out 有啊，你未學啫。好啊。另外咧，我仲想講咧，就係你唔好寫 hydrogen is given out， 因為你隻眼係睇唔到 hydrogen 㗎。Observation 係你唔可以講實嗰隻嘢係乜嘢。OK， 個 equation 點樣寫㗎？又温書啦。呢課唔係我教你嘅，咁但係你要背嘅係咩咧？呢個係 metal， 呢個係 acid。咁我哋就諗啦，個 general word equation 係咩咧？呢個唔係答案啊，就係 metal 加 acid 咧，佢係會出咧個 salt 啦。同埋 hydrogen 嘅呢個 general word equation 你係要背嘅，然之後你就再將佢 convert 翻你要嘅答案。你要嘅答案係咩咧？佢而家個 metal 係鋅嚟嘅，咁你咪寫鋅啦。個 acid 係咩嚟嘅咧？dilute hydrochloric acid 就 HCl 啦。佢轉咗做個 salt， 個 salt 係咩嚟嘅咧？一半係嚟自個 metal， 一半係嚟自個 acid， 所以佢出嚟嗰隻 salt 咧就會係鋅 chloride， 但係記住係 ZnCl2。 點解咧？又係嗰樣嘢還回考寫喺呢度啦。升咧就 two plus charge 嘅，要記嘅喺個 charge table。chloride 就 one minus， 咁所以你 cross method 咧，你就會出到升 chloride 呢一個 formula。你 formula 錯 ，equation 錯 ，equation 錯，我哋下一本書教嗰啲嘢你一定錯啦計數。好啦，另外咧佢仲會產生 hydrogen 啦 ，H2 啦，咁然之後 balance equation 啦，兩個 Cl 啦，兩個 H 啦，咁所以就兩個 HCl 啦。好啦，我唔要求你答個 physical state 嘅，咁但係我記得實代老師都有講話寫啦，咁但係我哋都試下寫下記下啦。metal 就 solid 啦 ，acid 就係 aqueous solution 啦 ，AQ 啦，個 salt 就係 aqueous solution 啦 ，hydrogen 咧就係 gas 啦，咁你就可以寫到個 balance equation 啦。好啦 ，sodium 擺喺個 Bunsen flame， 其實呢個又 relate 邊一個反應咧？就係 metal 加 oxygen， 佢會變咗做 metal oxide。當然我哋唔會真實去做呢一個實驗嘅，因為好危險。OK， 咁呢個 work equation 又要記住啦。咁我哋又寫個 observation 先啦。會見到啲咩咧 ？sodium 抌落去個 flame 度，即係會有 golden yellow flame 啦。咁我講過好多次啦，你唔可以就咁寫 yellow 嘅，你一定要講晒係golden yellow。equation 係咩咧 ？sodium 係個 metal，oxygen 就 O2 啦，佢會出嗰個 metal oxide 咧就 Na2O。有温書啊，點解會係 Na2O 咧？因為 sodium 咧 group 1就 1 plus charge，oxygen 咧 2 minus。cross method 嘅話咧就會係 Na2O 啦。好啦，咁跟住砌掂佢啦。呢度咧有兩個 O， 呢度得一個，咁所以呢度要加個2啦。2乘2咁多個 sodium， 即係呢度要4啦。寫埋個 physical state 啦 ，metal 就 solid 啦 ，oxygen 就 gas 啦。出嚟嘅 oxide 咧係 solid state 嘅。好啦，第三條啦 ，copper 2 oxide 加 carbon。heated in a test tube 呢個咧冇 general work equation， 不過呢個係 extraction of metal 啦。好啦，咁我呢個就寫咗個 equation 先啦，咁就係 copper 2 oxide， 咁即係 CuO 啦，佢 react with carbon 啦，咁咧就會變咗做咩咧 ？reduction 可以攞翻個 metal 之餘咧，仲會出 carbon dioxide。咁你又砌掂佢啦。呢度兩個 O， 咁所以咧兩個 CuO 啦，兩個 Cu， 兩個 Cu 啦，一個 C 一個 C 啦。好啊，咁跟住寫個 physical state 啊，呢個係 solid， 呢個係 solid， 呢個係 solid， 呢個係 gas。好啦，跟住古靈精怪嘢出現啦。睇完個 equation， 你話有一個 colorless gas evolve， 或者寫 colorless gas bubbles evolve，sorry， 你係睇唔到嘅，除非你係超人。因為佢完全冇 solution 喺度，你點會見到佢爆 bubble 啫？點解會有 bubble 啫？因為有氣體喺個水或者喺個液體裏面釋出，你先會有 bubble 噶嘛。呢個冇 bubble 嘅，你唔可以寫 colorless gas evolve 或者 colorless gas bubbles evolve。冇錯，佢產生 CO2， 你睇唔到嘅，但係睇到嘅 observe 先叫 observable change， 或者聞到或者聽到或者摸到。呢個你會睇到啲咩咧？呢個咧係 black substance 嚟嘅。OK。呢個咧係 brown solid 嚟㗎，咁即係話你會見到佢由 black solid change to brown solid， 記得寫翻 solid 呢個字 ，OK 有顏色轉變。好啦，再講埋下低 B part 呢嚿嘢，寫個 balance equation 又係啦 ，metal 加 acid，metal iron 啦 ，acid sulfuric acid H2SO4。佢會變咗做咩咧？嗰隻 salt 就係咩咧？一半 metal 一半 acid， 咁即係會出咗 iron sulfate 啦。另外咧 hydrogen gas。咁啊，今次好彩咧 balance 埋啦。呢個 metal 咧就 solid 啦，呢個 acid 咧就 aqueous 啦，個 salt 就係 aqueous 啦 ，hydrogen 就係 gas 啦。好啦 ，ionic equation 係點做咧？我哋又再 recall 翻啲方法啦。solid state 唔拆得嘅，咁我哋就照寫翻 solid 喺度啦。 呢個拆得嘅會拆咗做咩呢？我寫落嚟啦，兩個 H 正啦，好多人留咗個正號啦。呢、個拆咗之後變咗做 sulfate， 一樣 AQ 啦變咗做呢嚿嘢，你將佢拆開，因為 AQ 嚟嘅，佢可以拆開咗做 Fe 二正，再加後面呢句嘢拆開咗 sulfate SO4 2-， 另外再加 hydrogen。拆得開嘅，如果左同右都有就約咗佢，呢個冇咗，呢個冇咗，所以個 ionic equation 呢就會係 Fe 二正 Fe 加兩個 H 正變咗做 Fe 二正再加 hydrogen， 呢個就係個 ionic equation。嗱，我寫多次喺下低啦，即係 Fe 加兩個 H 正啦，佢會變咗做 Fe 二正。再加 hydrogen， 呢個係第6條嘅答案。好，喂，第7條咧就係講compare reactivity 啦，我要快少少啦，唔夠時間講啊，如果唔係。咁啊，4隻嘢，佢問你咩叫 displacement reaction？ 好多人答到，我唔寫出嚟啦，因為其實書有嘅。一個 more reactive 嘅 metal。可以 react with a less reactive metal ion in a compound， 跟住佢哋兩個 role 調轉，兩個角色調轉。OK， 咁就講兩個 observable change 當 X 抌喺 iron 2 sulfate 啦 ，X 咧係可以 react with iron 2 sulfate 嘅。OK， 咁你可以寫咧 X dissolve 啦，因為佢 displacement 佢就會冇咗，變咗做一個 ions 噶嘛。OK， 咁啊跟住你講咧佢個iron 2嘅個 solution 嘅 colour 咧係 green 嘅。咁你可以講咧 green solution 咧 phase out 啊，或者咁 phase 啊，即係淺色咗，因為佢做咗個 role， 佢變翻個 metal 啊嘛，係咪？或者你講咧 grey solid form 都得嘅，點解咧？因為佢會產生咗個 iron 呢樣嘢，佢本身係 iron 2啊嘛，咁跟住佢會變咗做 iron metal 咯。好啦 ，Part C 啊。通常咧，呢啲題目打星題嚟㗎，佢叫你排咗佢 descending order， 唔該睇字 descending order 遞減 ，OK， 同埋解釋。我發覺好多人咧解釋都係唔好識解釋嘅 ，OK。咁我先講少少邏輯嘢先，先排個 sequence。X 咧對付晒呢3隻嘢都有反應嘅，咁所以 X 咧就最勁 descending order， 用呢個符號 X 勁啲。如果佢係 iron 咧，就有2個做反應，但係 lead 咧就得1個啫，咁所以咧 X 係勁過 iron， 勁過 lead 啦。silver 全部做唔到，咁即係最尾係 silver 啦，我寫 symbol 啦。頭先嗰個解法咯喎 ，X 係最勁嘅，點解咧？因為 X 係最 reactive 啊。我用啲符號啦，慳啲時間啦。最勁 reactivity 啦，點解咧？因為 X 咧係可以 displace all 啊，所有啦 ，lead 啊、iron 啊、silver 都得啦嚇。好啦，跟住解啦 ，silver 最廢啦 ，silver 最廢嘅，因為咧 silver 咧係唔可以 displace 任何嘅。呢個 X 咧係即係唔可以有啲交叉嚟㗎，唔係 X 啊，唔可以 displace，OK 所有嘅 metal。跟住第3個啦，你解呢個咪得咯，係咪？點解 iron 勁過 lead 啊？因為 iron 咧係勁過 lead 個原因咧就係因為 iron 咧係可以 displace 到 lead 啊嘛。咁你諗下，我寫符號3行加3分啦，加埋個排列1分，咁你咪答晒4分嘢咯。你寫到咁長係冇用嘅，佢問你 arrange descending order 呢個係一定係有1分㗎啦。解釋1個、2個、3個咪3分咯。所以通常呢啲題目咧，而家係較淺㗎啦。而家 DSE 唔會有呢類型嘅題目問嘅排列。以前 short level 有，而家少咗好多啦。喂，又係經常犯錯啦！依度個犯錯位喺邊咧？佢就話啦，揹啲 steam 落去 calcium granule 數啦，1個 observation， 又係好多人寫 colourless gas bubble 就係 colourless gas evolve 啊。喂，sorry steam 嚟㗎，唔係液體，冇水，睇唔到啊。喂，唔啱啊！佢係講個反應啊嘛，唔係講佢睇個 set up 啊嘛。OK，咁你應該點樣答咧 ？calcium tarnish 啦，學下呢個字啦。tarnish 咧即係啞色咗，點解佢 react 咗啊嘛？你又唔可以寫 calcium dissolve 喎，佢冇水啊嘛。OK， 即係佢其實咧你本書有教過㗎啦。即係佢因為佢面嗰陣咧就做咗反應咧，咁所以佢啞色咗冇 silvery grey colour 咯。好啦，畫個 set up 啦，咁我都講過啦，其實阿 Sir 教嘅時候都有講過啦嚇。咁其實個 set up 咧就係首先打橫一支 boring tube 啦，咁跟住咧依度咧就係一啲 wet sand 啦，濕嘅沙，跟住呢度咧就係擺嗰條咧擺嗰啲 calcium 啦。咁啊，記住咧，好多人就漏咗呢個字啦，就燒個 metal 嗰個位嘅。OK， 咁啊，跟住佢個熱力就會令到嗰啲sand 咧，就濕咗嗰啲沙咧，就變咗做 steam 啊 pass through 嗰個 calcium 啦。咁啊，跟住咧就閂翻個 close system 啦，然之後咧，你點樣收集嗰啲 hydrogen 咧，就係 by means of 呢一樣嘢嘅。有啲核突啊，畫得。
如果冇嗰個咩沙咧？
嗯？
冇嗰個沙。
冇嗰個沙，你點樣可以做到 steam 咧？好啊，咁啊，跟住有一兜水，咁啊支 tube 啦，咁啊我話得好肉酸啦嚇，咁你睇翻書嗰個啦，咁啊大致上係咁樣。OK， 咁啊跟住 collect 啲 gas 啊。好啊，咁啊講下個 gas form 啊，同埋 test 佢啦。個 gas form 係咩嚟嘅咧 ？hydrogen。name 啊，咁唔可以寫 formula 啦，要寫明 hydrogen 啦。又係啦 ，test 係點樣講 ？burning spring 就係個 test reagent 啦嚇。咁我有啲咩咧 ？with pop 啦。咁呢個就係嗰個 observation 啦。掂。好啊，最尾嗰條啦。佢話咧燒氣嘅時候咧，sulfur oxide 咧 decompose 變翻做 sulfur 同 oxygen 啦。咁啊做個實驗啦嚇，寫個 equation 啦。sulfur oxide AgEO 啊，點解又係咁樣㗎 ？sulfur 1 plus O2 minus Quartz method 咪出 AgEO 咯。OK， 好啦，咁佢咧 decompose 咧變咗做 sulfur 啦。另外咧 oxygen 記住係 O2 啊。唔可以就咁一個 O 噶嘛 ，stable 嘅話要 O2 啊嘛。跟住咧兩個 O， 兩個 AgEO 啦，兩個2乘2咁多 Ag 咧，即係4個 Ag 啦。balance 佢啦，呢個 solid 啦，呢個 solid 啦，呢個 gas 啦。好啦 ，Golden Spring 會有啲咩情況出現啦 ？Relight 啦，因為有 oxygen 啦，呢啲真係易到爆啊！最尾計數，好啦，計數我講過啦。其實咧有兩種方法計嘅。如果佢揾 empirical formula 或者 water of crystallization， 即係揾個水有幾多個 x 個水有個 x 係幾多，就畫表嘅。OK， 畫表我唔知大家仲有冇印象啦嚇，即係揾翻佢 mass 啦、mole 啦，跟住揾 ratio 啦。另外一個10條數、9條數都係用 4-step method。OK。第一個 step 依度俾咗你嘅 equation， 第二個 step 係咩咧？即係你哋賴 Sir 講嗰3個方法，即係嗰3個 step， 我就叫4個 step 噶嘛，因為要寫 equation。第二個 step 咧揾 mole 啊，揾咩 mole 咧？佢話咧9.17 gram 嘅 silver，OK， 即係你知道呢個係9.17，咁所以你就可以揾 mole of silver，form 係幾多咧？就係9.17。除翻 silver 嗰個 atomic mass 107.9，賴 Sir 教由冇即係唔知 ，OK 變由已知去揾未知啊 ，OK 好啦，咁我冇計數機啦，咁總之你計到呢個 mole 啦，咁但係呢個 mole 未係答案喎，點解咧？呢兩者 ratio 咧 ，silver oxide 比 silver 咧係2:4。 即係1:2嘅。換句説話講咧，嗰、個 mole of silver oxide 你想揾嗰個未知咧，就會係9.17除107.9呢個 mole 數乘2定除2啊？呢個係 silver 嚟噶嘛？呢、個俾佢係1:2啊嘛，咁所以佢係要除2嘅個 mole 數。好啦，咁即係話，究竟你有幾多 mass of silver oxide 啦？係真實喺個 sample 裏面咧，就會係呢個數啦，寫落嚟啦嚇，我冇位寫啦，再乘翻呢隻嘢嘅 molar mass 啊嘛，即係107.9乘2 ，OK， 再加 oxygen 16啦，咁你就會計到個 mass 啊。咁我 answer 係9.84 gram 啊，大約。咁但係未完啦，因為佢叫你計 percentage mass 啊嘛，咁所以咧個 percentage mass 係點計咧？就係佢本身真實 sample 裡面嘅9.84除翻你個 sample 係11.6嘅，再乘100% 咯。所以咧即係大約啦嚇，84.84% 啦，可能同你個 answer 有少少出入啦。因為我冇 round off 啲數計啦，但係你最緊要學個方法 four step method 咯。